23rd, 2020. So what are you thinking of this springtime weather that we've been having? It's a little crazy in my opinion. All right, friends, we're going to do it a little bit different today. All right, and we'll see if this kind of, style works today. All right, so you'll have to let me know. All right, friends, we are going to start with your journal. All right, so if you could get that right now. All right, your journal. All right, and we are practicing numbers today in your journal. So this is page 4. All right, and here we go. Today is Thursday. THURSDAY. It's Thursday. All right. What's our month? It's April. April begins with a capital A. A-P-R-I-L. April. Okay. And it's the 23rd. All right. And our year is 2020. All right. All right. So let's practice some skip counting with our numbers. All right. We're going to start with 2s. All right, so let's do some of that right now, just out loud before we write it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right, now we're going to write those. They've given us the 2. So here we go, 2, 4, down, over, pick up your pencil, pull down. 6, slant on down, give it a curl. 8, make an S and go back home. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What's after 10? 12. A 1 and a 2. What's after 12? 14. 1 is first. Down, over, pick up your pencil. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Slant on down, give it a curl for that 6. And if we add 2 more to 16, it is 18. Here we go. Make an S and go back home. All right. I think that was the hardest one on our counting practice this morning. All right, 5s. All right, here we go. Let's clap those out. 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. All right, that's higher than we'll be going. They've given us the 5. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 1, down, around, give it a hat. 5, 10, 15, 20. Around and back on the railroad track, and a 0. 25. 25. 30. 35. Good job. Let's check it again. 10. 5, 10. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Good job. And after 40, 45. Okay. So we've counted by 2s, and now we've counted by 5s. We're going to end with 10s. We've done a lot of that in our classroom, haven't we? All right, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Here we go. 10, 20, 30. Remember, they're all going to end with a 0. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. It's okay if you need to stop this video right now and finish this, or if you want to finish it later, that's fine too. All right, but I'd like you to practice that skip counting today and writing your numbers. All right, kindergarten. All right. Now, we haven't played with our math mountains in a little while, and I'd like to do a little bit of that this morning. Okay, so here's my math mountain. Okay, and I'm going to use my little tiny tumblers for my mountain this morning. All right, I'm going to pull them over here. They're going to help us solve our math. All right. So let's play with the number 7 first. All right, so our number sentence is going to equal 7. Equal 7. Okay, so I'm starting with 1 tiny tumbler on that side. So 1 plus, how many do we need to add to 1 to equal 7? Right? Let's use my tiny tumblers to find out. We've got 1. Now let's count on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we got to 7. How many did I move? I moved 6, didn't I? Here I go. Slant on down and give it a curl. 1 plus 6 equals 7. All right. Let's do another one. I still want it to equal 7 though. So I'm going to move my tiny tumbler. All right, and I'm going to swoosh. All right, and I'm also going to move my equal sign. So 7 equals. Okay, and let's do another one. All right, so this time there are how many tiny tumblers? 3. So 7 equals 3 plus how many more? Let's find out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did we add to 3 to get to 7? Good job. 4. 7 equals 3 plus 4. Wow, I like these. These are fun. Do you remember doing these in the classroom when we were drawing all those dots? I do. Whoop. All right, let's try it again. I want to stay with 7. Let's see. All right, I'm going to put many tiny tumblers did I put on that side? 5. Turn it around, give it a hat. 7 equals 5 plus. How many tiny tumblers do we need to add for it to equal 7? Let's find out. We've got 5. 5, 6, 7. How many did we add? 2. Good job. 7 equals 5 plus 2. All right. Moving my tumblers. I bet you can think of some other ways that equal 7 too. Let's say I wanted to use the number 0. 0 plus what equals 7? Let's use our mental math. Did you say 7? Good job. 0 plus 7 equals 7. All right, let's do this number. What's that one? 8, good job. All right, making my mountain. Short's big enough. Okay, here we go. So now we're gonna equal 8. Okay. I'm gonna set it up just a tiny bit different this time. All right, so we're starting with how many? 3, good job. So we're gonna equal 8. Okay, we've got 3 to start with. What am I going to add to 3 to equal 8? All right, let's find out. We've got 3, so we're gonna count on from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many did I add? 5. Good job. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. I'm going to pull this away. Let's do another one. I still want to work with the number 8. Okay. Let's do... Okay, so we've got 4 plus how many equals 8? What's the missing number? Let's find out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We added how many? 4. Good job, kindergarten. All right, and I know there are more ways that you can make 8 too. All right, so maybe practice today with your Duplos. All right, and try different ways of making 7 and 8. You could even set up your own little mountain if you wanted to. Okay? All right. You could pretend a pillow's a mountain. That would be fun. And you just put the Legos or Duplos on either side. You can even do toys. All right. So, kindergarten, I just want to go through your work quickly today. All right. Erase, 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 erase. All right, so we are on our number 4 for the week. All right. Okay, so you've got a ice cream math page. We've done a lot of these this week, so I feel like this will be a real quick one that you can get through today. All right. Yes, so working with 7 and 8 will be great. Here's a new one with time, all right? And it's the o'clock, all right? So you've got to look at that hour hand, all right, the shorter hand, and find out which number that he's pointing to, all right? When we're doing time to the hour, all right, the minute hand is always on the 12. It's at the top of the clock, All right, so you're really looking at that, at the hour hand, the shorter hand, to figure out the time. All right, so your numbers are over here, all right, that you'll need to cut out to show the digital time under the time. So 5 o'clock, you've got to look for that short hour hand. Where is it pointing to a 5? Right here. All right. Try your best. We've not done really anything with time yet at this point in kindergarten. All right. That's really something we work on at the very, very end of the year. But it's neat to try. Okay. All right. This one is just for fun, friends. If you have a dice, that's great. If you don't, you can just read some of these sentences. This page would count for your reading today. All right, absolutely. All right, you're working on the in family. All right, so they are words like fin and pin and win. All right, so this would be definitely one that can count for your reading. All right, if you don't do it with the dice, that's fine. If you want to, great. Okay. All right. This one is practicing the sight word did. All right. Remember, when we are making our D's, they have backpacks. All right, so watching. Magic C, up like helicopter. Pull down. D. D's have backpacks. D. Magic C, up like a helicopter, up, pull down. Did. All right. And this is another page that would count towards your reading. Okay. All right. And this one kind of cranks it up a little bit. So I'm going to leave this up to you today. If you want to do it, that's great. If you want to save this for another day, you can. That's up to you. All right. It is a good one, though, to practice your retelling. All right. So I am going to read the story to you. All right now. At the pond. I saw a lot at the pond today. I saw a yellow duck swimming in the pond. I saw the green frog hop on a lily pad. There was a pretty white swan at the pond. I also made my boat float at the pond. I will go to the pond again tomorrow. All right, kindergarten, that is a reading passage that you know some of the words in there, but there are some other words in there that you have not learned yet, and that is okay. All right, so this is really, really cranking up the reading. Mommy and Daddy can read that again to you. All right, what's important is if you can do the order. All right, how it started, what animal was first, which animal was at the end of the story. Okay. All right, so that's your crank it up page. If you can read it 3 times, awesome sauce. That's amazing. All right, but that is a lot of reading. All right, but also counts towards your 5 minutes. All right, friends, it has been fun working with you this morning. All right, try your very best. All right, if you can't do all those papers today, that is okay. Do what you can do. All right. If you wouldn't mind today, I'd love it if you worked on some math iReady today. All right. So friends, have a great rest of your day. All right. I miss you. I love you. And we will be learning again tomorrow. Love you. Bye.